Naming this second cat vlog or second kitty vlog. Hi. Yeah, you cutie. Yeah, I left my door open. I just had to play fetch with my dog, and she came in here. Oh yeah, come over here. Come over to my door, and was laying right there. Sorry for the mess, if you can notice. Can I show you? Come here, Scott. Yeah, as you can see where that shave was, that's where they had cut her open to get her babies out. And I'm like, well, I don't want to even ask how kittens are made. This cat has been through so many things. You love being itched. You like having attention, don't you? When you pet cats like this, you just notice their rear end starts going up. I don't want to. She has her claws out, and I don't like that. What was that? What was that? Hi. Don't attack me, please. Oh, scared me. Ah! Ow! Ow! No, I'm being attacked by a cat. Ah! See, this is what I mean. Evil kitty. See? You see what I meant? They shaved her. Hey, there's no scar. There's no scar anymore. The scar's gone. My mom said it would take about like 2 weeks for it to heal. I think it only took like probably already been 2 weeks. I don't know. Yeah, but we have to turn up, like, you see that there? That, I think, is right there, is where, if you could see the little red spot there, that's where, kind of, I think that's where that, basically, where they shaved her, they had cut her open to make, so they could take out the babies, and don't start looking yourself. No, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I'm not gonna touch her. But yeah, like I said, got school tomorrow. Yeah, I took a shower. Life as a 7th grader is not good for me. And I have a test coming up, and I'm not ready. I hate presentating to the class. Like, I can get I'll be like up and ready to go do it, but then when I have to go up, literally, I don't want to do it. Because, I don't know anyone, and it's for health. And she's saying that, yes, a lot of people think that, oh, well, everyone's against you. And they'll judge you for how good your project was. And I haven't even started. It's due the 5th. We're supposed to have it ready the 5th. and you'll probably know something different about me. I don't know when, but I think it'll probably take 2 weeks. But I had glasses last year, and they had broken, so we had MA. Basically, my mom said MA wouldn't cover it, so we have to go on the October 4th to actually have my screening or my eye appointment, so they can look at my eyes, and we can actually get the prescription for the lenses, and then boom. Yeah, you want to see me in glasses? The mannequin challenge? Why are you so still? Are you okay? What's that? There's a bell jingling, and I can hear it coming from the closet. Oh no, that's my dog. Never mind. I heard animals can see things that us humans can't. She's staring at that, and I'm nervous, like. Come on, do you want to go out? You want to go outside? I mean, not outside, but out in the living room. Are you okay? Hey, answer me. Answer me. Why are you... what's wrong with the cat? You want out? You want to go out? Come on. She won't. She looked at me. Come on, let's go. Look at the little blue bell. Look at the little bell. Oh yeah, my dog. So there's 2 times he peed on the bed. First time I beat him because, well, you know, you're gonna get mad at a dog if he pees on your bed. And this was when I slept without sheets because, well, believe it or not, my bed, it gets too hot with the sheets on. And that annoys me because then, you know, I'm gonna take off my blanket, and then I'm gonna be freezing cold because, you know, I got a giant freaking fan like this that makes it cold, and then I'm gonna turn up the heat. But before, I just had a little tiny fan, you know, and I turn up the heat, and put that back on there. Yeah, I noticed that when I was messing with this, I went like this. I moved it around a little bit, and I pulled it a little bit, and I noticed that it could come off. Cause watch, is it fully up against it? And I noticed that, so I'm just have to leave it. Cause oh no, I cranked it up. I need to get that. I need to get this crap away from it, because it's gonna burn. And I'm like, what's burning? It smells weird. It smells as if it's burning. Except over those blinds. They may look white, kind of. But these are the clean ones. This one, these are old. We had actually, that was hung up here, because there was no blinds there. And we moved in, and my parents are like, well, just take that, put that up there, and yeah. Probably noticed I got little cars here. I wasn't really of a car kid. I was a lot of a car kid back then. Oh, it smells like it's burning, literally. I want to be. Oh. So I busted this one day. This way. But basically, it says flammable. Don't use near heat. And, you know, I turned that off because, you know, I spray this a couple about on, but I have the power of God. No. You thought I was crazy? Oh, that's right. You know, I'm happy that I did not spray that because I would have probably set it on fire. Hi. I'm just getting your video. The last little part of the clip. I'm going to end it at 12 minutes. Yeah, so the kittens, 2 of the kittens looked like her, and then the other 3 kittens looked like freaking, you know that video with, Friskus cat, or the Screaming Giant's cat, Steve, we call him, because, you know, he's, like, blonde. And, yeah, they looked like they were his color, and I'm like, I told him that, and he's like, really? Yeah, and I'm like, dude, Steve's the father. But, yeah, it's already been 12 minutes, oh, I vomited a little. Okay, goodbye.